Guys, I'm back and I'm gonna break a box of 12-13 Panini Crusade basketball. And I'm breaking with my cousin. Hey. Okay. This is 5 cards per pack, 6 packs per box. Kobe pack. I'm not gonna open the Kobe pack because it might not have a hit. 6 packs. So let's see. See this thin. I'll just go anyway. First pack, we got Amare, James Harden, Manute Ball, number 299. Focus. There. Hit of Jose Calderon and a jersey card. I mean a base of Paul Pierce. Next pack. Rodney Stuckey, Evan Turner, and a Mark Jackson Crusade, not numbered, and a hit, an autograph of Mirza Teletovic. Decoy, KD. Jared Dudley, Kevin Garnett, Night Court. Oh, Kevin Love, Shaq, Prism. I mean, Crusade. Kevin. Ooh, nice. Kevin Durant jersey card. Mike Dunleavy base. Brad Sullinger, John Wall, Raymond Felton, Crusade, and a jersey card of Marc Gasol. So far we already have 3 jerseys, so there should be 3 autographs, I think. So I have Chandler Parsons, Jose Calderon. Gold! I have a gold of Andrew Bogut, number 210. Nice. Autograph of another Warrior, Festus Ezeli. Out of 10 again. 2 numbered out of 10s. Wow. And last pack, 2 numbered out of 10s. Not the player I wanted though. Steve Nash, Derrick Rose, that left Shrimp Crusade, and the autograph. Kid Gilchrist base, and the autograph is Cedric Maxwell. It's not numbered. That's it, guys. Thank you guys for watching.